Hey, you watched our last video on 5 reasons homeownership makes sense. Now, let's get you a step closer and tell you why getting pre-approved should be your first step. Today's marketplace is competitive, and having your pre-approval will make your offer stand out. Here are your 3 benefits to having a pre-approval. Now you're probably wondering, how much can I get pre-approved for? Well, that depends on the 4 C's. Number 1 is capacity, which relates to your income and how you're able to make current and future payments. Number 2 is capital. These are assets. It's what you have in your bank account for your down payment. Number 3 is collateral, and that is the bank's opinion of value for the home you intend to purchase. Number 4 is about your credit. And it's not just your credit score, it's your credit history and how you have been paying your bills on time. So now you know why getting pre-approved should be your first step. Be sure to give us a call for your own consulting and subscribe. I'll make sure to bring you more tips and opportunities. In the meantime, I'll see you back in the neighborhood.